So I would say this is kind of the first advice for anyone who's like considering to run or to launch SaaS business. So definitely you have to build something, a product which will really be solving problems for which your customers, future customers, would be willing to pay. Not just nice to have, but must have for the business or for the people. So that's probably the first major advice. A second would be just ship. Launch the MVP. Launch like your
Minimal viable
initial.
product.
Yeah.
Exactly, minimum
I love it.
viable product. Yeah, so it can be creepy. It should be creepy. I mean, like it shouldn't be like good quality. That's perfectly fine. You just launch. You go to market. You start acquiring first customers, and they're gonna give you like such a valuable feedback which really will define your future roadmap, and like finally you will like justify it or not, like to see if the thing you are building really is needed by anyone. So just launch MVP and then start from there. Don't try to build like ideal product for too long. I've seen so many startups which kind of raise some money to build a product. We spend like 2 years to build a product, and once we launched, apparently they understood, okay, nobody needs exactly the product we launched, but we have already burned the entire funding, and we are in a dead end situation. So
yeah, that's a scary position to get into.
That happens a lot. People launch a product, but then they usually like pivot into like a smaller part of the product that the customers like, and then the company blows up from there.
Yeah, I think that was PayPal's story actually too.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I think they were trying to be like a financial planner or something along those lines, and like they just found everyone was using the payment transfer part of the service, so they just transferred into that. But that totally makes sense, man.
Smart.
I would say there are those two kind of main advices for anyone considering to launch SaaS business.
Cool.
Yeah, man, I think that is good advice.